Hello everyone, welcome back to Central. I'm Fredia and in today's video, I'll walk you through our Marketing Manager template. Let's start with the home page where you can see everything at a glance. Right at the top of the home page, you'll find your quick actions. These are one-click buttons designed to speed up your most common tasks. Instead of navigating through different pages, just click the relevant button and you're ready to go. These quick actions are customizable. Right below that, you'll find your navigation menu with easy access to all the key aspects of this template. And below that, we have the platform's database where you can manage all your social media accounts and marketing channels in one place. On the right, first up, is the posts database. This is where you plan and schedule all your social media content. You can see what's coming up, what's in progress, and what's already published. There's also another view showing your posts from a different angle, giving you flexibility in how you organize your content. Next is the task view. This keeps track of all your marketing to-dos, deadlines, and assignments. And at the bottom, there's another post view through the calendar to give you even more control over your content planning. Now that you're familiar with the home page, let's check out the email marketing page. This is your complete hub for managing all your email campaigns. At the top, you have a quick action button to jump back to the main homepage whenever you need to. Below that, you'll see the quick action buttons that let you instantly add a new template, add a new segment, or create a new campaign. Below that are the subpages. Let's check out the email campaigns page. This is where you plan, schedule, and track all your campaigns. At the top, you'll see the main email campaigns database showing all your campaigns in a table view. Each of these campaigns includes all the various data that you might require. Below that is the current performance section with three key visualizations. First, by type. This shows you a bar graph breaking down how many campaigns you're running by the type. This helps you see if you're balancing your campaign mix effectively. Next is the goal chart that displays a donut breakdown of campaigns by their primary objective. So you can quickly see whether you're focusing more on sales or traffic or awareness or nurturing. And the status chart gives you an at a glance view of your campaign pipeline. Beside that, you have your trends over time chart with three time series charts. The first chart tracks campaigns by type over time, showing you the volume and mix of campaign types month by month. Beside that, you can see campaigns by goal over time, helping you understand how your marketing objectives have shifted across different periods. And finally, the audience segment chart shows which segments you have been trying most frequently, helping you identify any gaps or opportunities in your audience strategy. The dashboard gives you complete visibility into your mail marketing operations, from planning individual campaign to analyzing performance patterns over time. You can click into any campaign to see full details, performance notes, and related audience data. Now, let's look into the email templates page. This is where you manage and analyze all your reusable email templates. At the top, you have three analytics views. First, the templates broken down by category and CTA across each target audience. In the middle, you can see templates by category with CTA usage, plus a status breakdown showing what's in draft, in progress, ready, or live. On the right, three donut charts give you quick insights by CTA type, category, and by target audience. Below, your gallery view displays all email templates with their full content, making it easy to browse and select the right template for your campaign. You can also switch to the All Templates table view to see all the properties like category, CTA, status, date, and target audience. Below that is the full navigation menu, so you can quickly jump to any other section of your Marketing Manager template. In the center, you see your email campaigns view, giving you a visual overview of all active, scheduled, and completed campaigns. And below that, your email templates database is where you can browse through all your pre-built templates, organize them by type or campaign, and quickly duplicate them for new sends. Now let's move on to the content page. This is your central hub for planning, creating, and managing all your marketing content. At the top, you've got a quick button to return to the home page, and below that, you have two quick buttons, one to create a new post and another to add a new topic. On this page, you've got multiple views to manage your content pipeline. First, you can see your post database, where you can access all your social media posts, blog articles, and content across platforms in just one place. Let's open one of these pages, and you can see that you have a preset template in this page template. So when you scroll down, you have your topics database, which organizes content by themes and subjects. Below that is the bookmarks database to save inspiration and references for future content. Let's move to the advertising page now. This is your command center for managing all your paid marketing campaigns. At the very top, you have the quick button to jump back to the home page, and below that, you have two different buttons, one to add a new campaign and another to add a new channel. Below that are two sub-pages. Let's check out the Add Campaigns page first. This is your command center for managing and analyzing all your advertising campaigns. First comes the main table that shows all your campaigns with key details. Let's open one of these pages and you can see all the major details that you would need. Here, you can quickly see how each campaign is performing financially. On the left, three bar charts break down your total expenditure by objective, by audience segment, and by ad platform. Beside that, you can see the campaign distribution with donut charts by status, by objective, by audience segment, by budget, and by expenditure. Below that, you can see and track your ROI, budget process, and expenditure for each active campaign. These charts help you identify which campaigns are delivering the best returns and staying on budget. Likewise, here the trends chart can track your monthly spending patterns by objective, platform, and audience. This gives you visibility into how your advertising strategy evolves over time. Let's also look into the ad platforms page. This is your central directory for managing all advertising platforms and channels that you use. At the top, you'll find a distribution chart showing platforms by channel type and channel goals, plus a status donut chart showing which platforms are currently active. On the right, the budget analytics display the average spend by channel category and by individual platforms. This helps you plan and allocate resources effectively. Below that, the main table shows all your platforms with key details. You can also switch to the gallery view to browse platforms visually with their vendor contact information. If you open up one of these pages, you can see that it has all the essential information that one might need. On the main page, you'll see your ad campaigns view. This gives you a visual overview of all your running campaigns, their budgets, performance metrics, and status at a glance. And below this is your ad platforms database. Let's move on to the audience segments page now. This is where you organize and analyze all your target audiences in one place. On the right, you can see your audience segment database. This is where you define and manage all your different audience groups. If you open up one of these pages, you'll see it holds so many important information and all the extra information through a preset in this template. Below that, you get a powerful analytics. On the left, a size and status trend chart visualizes how your audience segments are growing or changing over time, and you can see their current status at a glance. Beside that, another view of your audience segments that gives you a different perspective to analyze and work with your data. Let's move on to the market analysis page now. This is where you track your competitors, analyze market trends, and understand your position in the market. At the top, you have the quick action button to jump back to the home page. Below that, you have two buttons, one to add a new competitor and another to add a new insight. Below that, you'll find direct links to three key pages. The market overview. This is a strategic framework for analyzing and documenting your market opportunity and industry landscape. Likewise, let's look into the competitive analysis page. At the top, the competitors table captures key intelligence, marketing expenditure, pricing model, price, USP, and the date started. If you open up one of these pages, you'll find the same data in a customized manner. Below this database are the analytic charts that break down the competitors by pricing model features and marketing expenditure levels. You can also see average pricing model and individual competition price comparisons. On the right are the SWOT charts that show the distribution of insights by type, domain. Below that, you have the SWOT analysis table that links insights to specific competitors with impact and confidence rating that calculate a priority score. Each insight includes domain, evidence source, and the type, whether it is a threat, a strength, a weakness, or an opportunity. And finally, we have the Customer Hub subpage. This is a complete framework for understanding your target customers. The core sections define your target customer segments, then document demographics and psychographics, that is, who they are and what drives them, captures buying motivations and pain points to understand why they buy and what challenges they face. Then it maps the customer journey from awareness to post-purchase and collects feedback insights on what customers love and need. You can track behavior patterns like buying frequency and spending habits through these. It also creates a detailed customer persona for each segment and defines your ideal customer profile, that is, your perfect customer in a nutshell. In the middle, you have the competitors database that tracks all your competitors in one place. You can see their products, pricing, strengths, weaknesses, and how they position themselves in the market. Below that, you have the SWOT analysis dashboard that documents your strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. This strategic framework helps you make informed marketing decisions and identify areas for growth. Next, we'll look into the SOPs and processes page. This is your knowledge hub for documentation of all your marketing workflows and standard operating procedures. On the right, you'll see two connected databases. First, your processes database, where you document your high-level marketing processes. Each process can be linked to multiple SOPs, has an owner, and shows when it was updated. Below that is your SOPs database, that is a library of step-by-step standard operating procedures. Each SOP has a unique ID that is assigned to an owner and can be linked to one or more processes. These two databases are connected so you can see which SOPs belong to which processes. Now, let's check out the brand guidelines page. This is your central reference for maintaining consistent branding across all your marketing materials. At the top, you have the quick button to jump back into the home page, and below that, you have your full navigation menu. In the center, you can upload your logo and any brand assets like style guides or brand books. On the right, you'll see your color palette table with color names. This ensures everyone on your team uses the exact same brand colors, and beside that, your typography table defines which fonts to use and where. Everyone can refer this page and create on-brand content every single time. Finally, let's check out the documentation page. This is your complete reference guide for understanding and using every feature in the Marketing Manager template. For every database, you'll find detailed description of important fields, their purposes, and how they connect to the other databases. Think of this page as your training manual. So this is your Marketing Manager template. You can grab this template from the link that is given in the description. And if you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and do not forget to subscribe to our channel for more Notion templates. Thanks for watching.